Hi friends, now we're going to practice decoding a poor bird. So the first time we're going to do it in little pieces, 4 pieces. The second time we're going to see if you can listen longer and do each in 2 pieces and see if you can do all of it. Decoding means that you're singing with the do's, the do days, and the do's, the half notes. I'm going to be singing the words, so you have to be a detective and listen and see if you can decode it into the rhythms. Keep a beat while you listen. I'm going to sing the first part, and then when you see this, it is your turn to decode. Here I go, a poor bird. Take your flight far above the sorrows this sad night. Now this time we're going to put 2 parts together. So listen longer, then decode. A poor bird, take your flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. Now, let's see if you can decode the whole thing. So I'm going to sing the song with the words. You're going to sing the whole song with do's, do days, and do's. Here I go, a poor bird, take your flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. Did you get it? If you think you did, then you can give me a thumbs up and move on to the next one. If you think you might need another try, just go back and try it again.